Hi, today we have Mazda CX-7 with 2.2 liter diesel engine. I'm going to show you how to change the oil filter and air filter, and also how to reset the service. I'm going to raise the vehicle first. I have raised the vehicle, so next I'm going to remove the plastic cover under the engine. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts with 10mm wrench. So now we can see the oil filter. I'm going to open the oil filter anti-clockwise. So now I'm going to open the plug. The plug can be opened with 19mm wrench. I've opened the plug, so now I'm going to wait for the oil to drain. In the meantime, I can install the new oil filter. Here I have a new oil filter that I'm going to install on the vehicle. Now that the oil is drained, I'm going to install the plug and tighten it with 19mm wrench. So now I can return the plastic cover under the engine, 8 bolts with 10mm wrench. So now I can lower the vehicle and refill with oil. So now I'm going to refill with 530, and according to the manual should be refilled with 4.7 liters of oil. I have refilled with 4.7 liters of oil, so now I'm going to check on the oil dipstick. So now we can see the oil is exactly on the max, to the F point. Here. Now if the oil exceeds to the X point on the oil dipstick, then the oil should be replaced immediately, because then if the oil level rises, that means that there is fuel inside, because when the regeneration is working for the DPF, usually it's getting fuel into the oil. So next I'm going to change the air filter. The air filter is very easy to change. Just remove the fast plus metal clips, and then we can remove the air filter. Here I have new air filter that I'm going to install on the vehicle. Just put it inside and return the plastic cover. Press the metal clips, and now we can start the engine. The oil lamp is off, that means we have fuel pressure, oil pressure. So next I'm going to reset the service. So now we have to press here on info. Then we press maintenance. We are using these buttons here on the steering wheel. So we enter maintenance. We go service due. Set distance. $15,000 kilometers or 365 days. So now the service is set. I'm going to back. Next I'm going to recheck the oil level again. Now, because the vehicle was started, the oil level is on the L point on the oil dipstick. Do not overfill with more oil, because if you overfilled, then you can damage the engine. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.